starts knocking at your door. When the market shifts and the tickets bright, we're breaking it down and getting it right. Real estate moves and the AI flow. Everything you want to need.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm just want to say to all of you who watch my channel, thanks for watching. Welcome. If you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button so you don't miss a video, because on this channel we talk about taxes, breaking news, stories, and more in relevant material. So my name is Charlene Randall. This is Charlene Randall Financial. And today we're going to be talking about basketball wives, Jenifer Williams and her new husband, and the legal troubles that they are facing. So tax time is here. And if you need to prepare your taxes, click the link in this video and you can get started. Click the link below and you can get started by filling out that form. If you are a W-2 employee, if you are a small business employee, you will get the services that you need in order to get the right deductions and credits that you need in order to lessen and decrease your tax liability. So go click the link and start your process, and you receive an email or a follow-up call once your information is received. So today we're talking about, as I said, Jenifer Williams, and I know many people watch Basketball Wives and keep up with some of the women that are on the show. But they're facing, her and her newly married husband, they are facing some legal troubles. So Basketball Wives star Jenifer Williams has expressed frustrations with all this skepticism around her husband, Christian Gold. Last year, Christian was accused of defrauding clients in his investment business. So there's been a lot of speculation going on about Jenifer Williams and her husband, Christian Gold, for some time now. So they have denied all of these accusations over and over again. They've denied the accusations over time, but people were not buying it. So her husband, Christian Gold, he failed to show up in court or respond to the lawsuit. And this resulted in a default judgment of $367,625. Christian's alleged victims and former clients. So he has a default judgment against him for, it says, soliciting money for investments, but failing to invest. And now we see this from people time and time again. It seems like there was some sort of pyramid scheme where someone is taking the money and using other clients or customers' money to fund their lifestyle, for one, and also to give certain monies back to clients, making it seem like they're really doing the investment that they promise, so they can just buy more time. So the plaintiffs accused Christian of soliciting money for investments but failing to invest, as well as allegedly running a Ponzi scheme. Christian allegedly received $120,460 from these former clients. He was also accused of violating Georgia's RICO Act, which includes alleged racketeering, fraud, and embezzlement. So the plaintiffs were awarded these damages, these liquidated damages, treble damages, and pre and post judgment interest, which all amount to the $367,625. So this is something that they have to deal with because these clients, his clients basically, they were fed up that they weren't receiving what they were promised. And that's usually what happens. People are upset that they're not receiving their investment, return on investment. And this is what they had to do as a last resort, I guess, was go to court. And since he did not respond, the court is going to think that, he is a reason why he didn't respond, and they'll take that as, an answer. Sometimes they say no answer is an answer. No answer is an answer. So that's what happened with him. So let's watch this video about the allegations.
Gold's husband, Christian Walden Gold, back in the news again after being hit with a new judgment of over $300,000. The legal battles continue to mount. Let's get into it. Court records reveal multiple plaintiffs, all listed here, were awarded a default judgment against Christian Walden Gold after he allegedly failed to respond in a civil case. The filing shows liquidated and punitive damages totaling nearly $360.
So if you are someone who likes to look up cases, the case is available. It's public record. And if you would like me to do more case lookup, let me know in the comments if you would like to see something like that on this channel as well.
$8,000. Jenifer is not named as a defendant in this case and not in the documents at all, but it just continues to ignite.
Yeah, so we definitely need to be clear that Jenifer is not named in this document. She is not named as someone, on this court paperwork. It's her husband that is actually within the document and named in this case.
The same narrative about Christian that's been going on for quite some time about his alleged shady dealings and his investment businesses. I will continue to keep you updated on this story, but please make sure you follow attorney Simone Redwine and subscribe to her YouTube channel, Girl, Is That Legal? She will be covering this new judgment in its entirety later this evening.
Okay, so there it is. People have been speculating, and this is, the update on all of that. I believe that in the wake of all of this, Jenifer Williams has actually filed for divorce. So I will be updating you on this story as well. As I said, Jenifer Williams is not named in this lawsuit. So I will be keeping you updated. Let me know what you think in the comments. What do you think about this whole situation that has transpired? I will see you in the next video.